Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make plain scones. Let's begin. So to start this recipe you'll want to get a small to medium bowl and place in the milk and then your sugar and whisk the two together until well combined and then set aside. So into a large bowl I will add in all of my dry ingredients along with my butter, and then I will rub the butter into the flour using my fingertips. If you don't want to do this you could always put it in a food processor for a couple of seconds and it will do the same job. So once the butter is incorporated you will notice a slight change in colour and a definite change in consistency. It will be more of a breadcrumby sandy texture. So once you've got the right consistency, you will then want to add in all of your milk and sugar mixture and just give that a stir through with a spatula until a dough forms, being careful not to overmix. So onto a floured surface you will want to add your scone dough and just work in a bit of the flour. If your dough is sticky, this will help it become smooth and more workable. You will then want to roll out your scone dough using a rolling pin just until it's slightly thinner. I will leave all the baking times, temperatures, ingredients, measurements and all that information over on the blog post, and the link to that will be in the description down below. So once you've got your dough rolled out you will then want to use a cookie cutter to cut out the shape. I'm using the plain edge but feel free to use the crinkled edge. From your first roll you should probably get between 6 to 7 scones. You can re-roll it just once and you should be able to get a further 1 or 2. So once you've got your scone cut out, you'll want to place them onto a baking tray which has been lined with some grease-proof paper, and then brush the tops of each scone with just a beaten egg as the egg wash. You will then want to place these in the oven and bake them off. I will leave all that information over on my blog, which is bakingwithelliot.com. I will leave a link to it in the description down below. So once your scones have been out of the oven for around 5 minutes, you will then want to transfer them to a cooling rack and then allow them to cool completely before you finish them. So once they are fully cool, you can put your clotted cream onto one half and your jam onto the other, whichever way you want to do it. I know they're done differently depending on where you come from, but I'll leave that completely up to you. I started with the cream, then the jam, but again, do it however you like, and just finish the scone with a dusting of the icing sugar. So that's how you make a batch of plain scones. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video. So join me then. If you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments of this video or message me on one of my social medias. All those links will be in the description down below. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to get some behind the scenes on Instagram stories. But until next week, bye guys.